Hi guys, in artificial intelligence we have seen that we can represent different kinds of knowledge by using some different kinds of form like CNF and other graphical techniques. But can we represent this knowledge and we can do extraction? Do you have ever realized or questioned about that? So we can in artificial intelligence. So today I'll be discussing regarding how you can extract those kinds of knowledge in AI. So stay tuned to my video. This is Ranjiraj and you're streaming on The Study Beast. So, Los Gates. So first of all, we have one kind of generalized architecture. I'll be discussing regarding this architecture and the different modules which are there and the engines which are there in this and the composition of these engines. And then I will just overlay two different techniques where you can do or actual kind of extraction is done by these two techniques. So first of all, this knowledge extraction, that is KE, involves two kind of things. That is, first it has a knowledge base KB and an inference engine. Now from the name you can get to know that knowledge base will consist of some certain kinds of knowledge. So this knowledge will be in the form of set of rules and set of facts. So you can load that a knowledge base into this, and since in this architecture we have considered only one component of that, that is the rule base, you can load into that. And you have this inference engine. So what this inference engine is does, it will identify new facts from this existing knowledge base and can derive any new knowledge from that knowledge base. Now you have this system. Now this system is a generalized system for knowledge extraction. Now the system which is used to generate a new knowledge from the existing one is called as a production system. So this is what you see as a generalized or conceptual architecture of a production system, which consists of a working memory. So this memory is like working. Some inputs or outputs are going in this memory, and user is giving those inputs and outputs. And based on that, this working memory will query for some fact to this inference engine, which will derive any new knowledge which it has and gives back the fact. So it questions for a fact and it gives back the fact. And to this inference engine, you have certain kinds of rule base as well as the fact base. So fact base plus rule base gives you the inference engine, and which sums into the knowledge base, that is the KB. Now let us consider one example. You have a knowledge base KB having four different facts: fact P, fact Q, fact R, and fact S. And you have a set of rules, four set of rules. That is, P is there and Q is there. P can derive R and Q can derive S. Now, by referring this facts, now these are the facts and these are the rules. So, since these are the facts, so by referring this given facts and the rule base, you can refer the inference engine and generates the two new facts R and S. So, you have this P and Q. So, by this rule, you can derive a new fact that P can derive R and Q can derive S. And so, you have two different facts as well, that is R and S. Now, there are two different ways to extract this kinds of knowledge. So, those two are forward chaining, which are also called as modus ponens, and backward chaining as modus tollens. So, I'll be discussing these two techniques in my successive videos. There are algorithms which are coming for this forward chaining and backward chaining. So, well, for now, it's all about the knowledge extraction in AI. So, hope you enjoyed this video, found this video helpful. Please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.